North Korea fired 2 short-range ballistic missiles off its east coast, South Korea's military said, a day before U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris is set to arrive in Seoul. The launch came 2 days after South Korea and U.S. forces conducted a military drill in waters off the southeast coast involving an aircraft carrier. On Sunday, North Korea fired another ballistic missile towards the sea off its east coast. They flew about 360 km, reaching an altitude of 30 km and a maximum velocity of Mach 6, South Korea's Joint Chiefs of Staff said, adding that a detailed analysis was underway. North Korea's provocations will further strengthen the South Korean-US deterrence and response capability, and only deepen North Korea's isolation from the international community, the Joint Chiefs said in a statement. South Korea's National Security Council held an emergency meeting and condemned the test, vowing to continue building overwhelming capacity to deter North Korea, President's office said in a separate statement. North Korean state media did not mention the reports of the latest launches, but its leader Kim Jong-un has said its development of nuclear weapons and missiles are meant to defend North Korea against U.S. threats.